All right, guys, we are back with another cocktail that's sure to make you all warm and fuzzy inside. This one is called the Bourbon Blush. This one is going to be a shaken cocktail, so you're going to need your shaker tins, you're going to need a jigger, you are also going to need your Hawthorne strainer and your mesh strainer, and of course some ice. As always, the ingredient list is going to be listed down below so you can work along with me. Let's go into it. We're going to start off with orange bitters. You only need 1 dash of this guy. And then we have simple syrup. You need 1/2 ounce of simple, a full ounce of cranberry juice, 1/2 ounce of, as always, fresh lemon juice. And then the main ingredient is going to be your favorite bourbon. You're going to need 2 full ounces of this. Then we're going to fill that shaker tin up nice and high with ice. Don't forget, guys, if you're enjoying my content here and you like making these cocktails with me, don't forget to like, comment, and hit the subscribe button to get all of the daily cocktails that I make. Let's shake. Of course, shaker tin, nice and cold in your hand. Pop the top. We're going to use our Hawthorne strainer and our mesh strainer right into our coupe glass. And then for the garnish on this one, because there's delicious cranberry juice in there, we are going to use a cranberry skewer. And there you have it. The blushing bourbon blush, because you want to make you blush twice. Until the next time, guys, until the next pour. Cheers.